Hello friends, in this video we are in the brainstem series. Now we will discuss here the midbrain, the first part of the brainstem, that is the midbrain with the sections and the applied aspect. So what we will see, introduction, TS of midbrain and applied aspect. In applied aspect, mainly Weber syndrome, Benedict syndrome. That's what we are going to see. Okay. Let us see with the introduction. So midbrain, as we know, the upper component of the brainstem. I told you in the starting of video, we will analyze in two sections, superior and inferior colliculus. It's very easy. Let me explain. Right. So let us see at the level of inferior colliculus. So we will see now. So here we have the trochlear nerve. That is why this T, this capital T is there here. Trochlear nerve. So that is why we have this capital T. Okay. So this is a ribbon shaped trochlear nerve. Here we can see the nucleus, the pretectal nucleus. These are the lemnisci, lateral, spinal, trigeminal, medial in order. I'll give you a simple mnemonic LS5M. L as in lateral, S spinal, 5 is the nerve that is a trigeminal, M is the medial. Okay. So these are the fibers. Again, I'll give you an easy way to remember. First one, see now this part. Remember it as pot-po fibers. Pot-po. P-O-T in capital, small p and O. What is this pot-po? Parieto, parieto-pontine, temporopontine, occipitopontine fibers. Okay. And for the second group, remember it as CNS. CNS as in corticonuclear and spinal fibers, and FPT as in frontopontine fibers. This is 1/6. This lateral and medial, this is 1/6. This is rest of them. Okay. This is the decussation of superior cerebellar peduncle. Here MTR is there. What is MTR? Not the MTR masala. This is medial tract, tectospinal and rubrospinal tract. This is the reticular system or the formation. Let us see with the superior colliculus. Okay, so we will compare and see. So it's very easy. I'll tell you. First, I would like you to remember some differences before drawing the diagrams. So I'll explain the differences. So first thing, if we see superior colliculus, we have the oculomotor nerve. There what we had, here we had this trochlear. Here in inferior colliculus we are trochlear, but here we are having oculomotor. That is the difference. And here we have in superior colliculus nucleus. There it is inferior colliculus nucleus. Okay. Mesencephalic nucleus is common. Okay. And coming to the lemnisci, if we compare, here lateral is there, here it is not there. So please remember, here the difference between the two is there is no lateral lemniscus in the midbrain. That is one thing. No lateral lemniscus, presence of oculomotor nerve as I told you, and red nucleus. The most important feature, red nucleus. Okay. And there we had only superior cerebellar peduncle decussation. Here we have two decussations. Maynard's dorsal tegmental decussation and Forel's ventral tegmental decussation. Please remember these differentiation points. It will be very easy. Okay. So I'll repeat the points. The difference, first difference, here oculomotor nerve, there trochlear nerve. Second difference, there is no lateral lemnisci here, but it is present there in the inferior. Okay. And red nucleus only in superior colliculus. Then decussations, there only one, that was superior cerebellar peduncle. Here two decussations. Dorsal as in Maynard, ventral as in Forel. Okay. Let's see the applied aspect. The Weber syndrome, Benedict syndrome. This is the area of lesion. The Weber syndrome. Here, these fibers I told you, these fibers, that is lesioned in Weber syndrome. Benedict syndrome is this part. The lemnisci. See now, this lemnisci is injured in the Benedict syndrome. So this part is Weber syndrome. This part is the Benedict syndrome. The lemnisci, okay, and even red nucleus also. Please include red nucleus as well. I told you lateral lemnisci is not there. Okay, please remember that point in the superior colliculus. Now a table to show the clinical features and the side. So we have ipsilateral and contralateral. Ipsilateral, there is a squint. Please remember, generally squint will be lateral squint only, involving third nerve. Okay. Contralateral means opposite side, where that is corticospinal tract. Remember CCST, easy way. Due to the crux cerebri, there is an involvement of the corticospinal tract. Let us see with Benedict syndrome. That was Weber syndrome. This is Benedict syndrome. So ipsilateral is same. So I would like to compare. See here, ipsilateral. Here also we said lateral squint. Here also lateral squint. But extra you can add ptosis. But just remember, ipsilateral for Weber and Benedict's is same. That is squint, involving the same nerve. That is third nerve. Contralateral is different. There I told you corticospinal tract. That is crux cerebri. Here it is different. Here it is basic sensations because of medial lemniscus. So we will try to locate this medial lemniscus. Here, this is medial lemniscus. Basic sensations will be lost because of damage to medial lemniscus. Right. And tremors due to red nucleus and superior cerebellar peduncle. Remember as RSCP. RSCP. R as in red, SCP is what? Superior cerebellar peduncle. Okay, so this is Weber syndrome and Benedict syndrome. So references from where the images were taken. Now this brings us to end of the video. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.